This video will make you a qualified maintenance technician for small excavators. This model is equipped with a wind-cooled diesel engine. The air travel of the engine is located in this position. Here is the drain screw for changing the engine oil. When adding engine oil, please open the dipstick of this oil filler hole. The levels can be observed through the oil dipstick with a lower line and an upper line. During refilling, it should be approximately at the middle upper position. When it is necessary to add fuel, first slide the seat forward. This position is the fuel filling port and the fuel tank. The drain screw for the hydraulic oil is located at the bottom of the machine. And when we need to add hydraulic oil, all we need to do is to open this cover plate. After adding the sealant, we can observe the position of the hydraulic oil on the observation table. The battery is inside this cover. If you need to replace or inspect the circuitry, please remove this cover. This is the location of our battery. The red wire represents the positive pole, the black wire represents the negative pole. This is a 12-volt battery. These are the maintenance procedures for small excavators. Have you mastered them? If you have any questions that you don't understand, please feel free to leave a message for me.